So our next topic is average relative atomic mass, also known as isotopic mass. Why it is known as isotopic mass, I will tell you later. The average relative atomic mass of an element, this is about an element, remember this thing, expressed in AMU, means atomic mass unit, is called the atomic mass or isotopic mass of that particular element. For example, if we talk about carbon, so as we all know that carbon occurs as three isotopes with relative evidences, and masses are as follows. Like if isotopes C12, C13 and C14, their relative evidence are given here, and atomic masses we already know. Okay, so how will we calculate average relative atomic mass for carbon? As we can see that we are calculating it with the isotopes, that's why it is also known as isotopic mass. Okay, so how will we calculate it? So we should know the formula. Average atomic mass of carbon, if we are calculate it when the relative evidences are given in percentage, okay, then we will apply this formula. Mass number of first isotope multiplied by its relative evidence plus mass of second isotope and multiplied by its evidence, and plus mass of next isotope multiplied by its relative evidence and divided by 100. Why 100? Because the evidence is given in a percentage, so we will get 12.001 U. Similarly, in the second example, chlorine occurs in nature in the form of two isotopes, okay, with atomic masses 35 and 37 in the ratio 3:1 respectively. I have taken three examples here because all the three examples are different from one another. That's why I have taken these. So pay attention towards them. So in this the isotopes are present in the ratio. Okay, then how will we calculate the average atomic mass? We will just multiply their atomic masses into its ratio plus atomic mass of other isotope and its ratio and divided by total. So we will get the average atomic mass. Okay, and the third and the last example is about neon. Neon occurs as three isotope and their relative evidences are as follows, like isotope Ne20, Ne21 and Ne22. Evidence is already given in the fractional form. Okay, so no need to divide from anything. So 0.9051 and this. So how will you calculate? You will simply multiply atomic weight into its fractional evidence plus multiply the atomic mass of the second isotope multiplied by fractional evidence and plus multiply the atomic mass of the third isotope and its fractional evidence. So you will get your answer.